Yup, that's right. Better Toolkit. Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my new toolkit I got. It's the iFixit Mako Precision Bit Set. So, if you guys care what this has, here you go. Pause the video to read. Okay, I'm not gonna start that again. Anyways, let's just get to unboxing. Now stop moaning that I'm using crappy tools. Better stop moaning. Okay. Welcome to the repair revolution. Yes, can repair my phone now. Can also open up a MacBook. If you guys don't even care about that, but the main reason why I got it, iFixit. I'm gonna have to do that later. But anyways, moaning that I have crappy tools now. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.